vacuum. Oh! You ready? Okay. Are you ready, Calvin? I will not be able to do it with one hand, that's for sure. Back 26 Acres Outdoors. Today, Fawn and I are going to be cooking crappie in the air fryer. This is the easy way to do it. I didn't catch that much today, I only caught 2. I got more sunburned than I can fish. So we're going to cook it in the air fryer. That's how we do it. I like to use cornflake crumbs. You can use cornmeal, whatever you like, but I prefer fish with cornflake crumbs. Put a little paprika in our mix, a little garlic powder, salt, pepper. I would make it hotter, but Fauna wants to eat some, right? Now we're going to take our fillets, and now Fauna's going to have her special job.
I want that one.
All right, you put them in there.
I want that one.
Yeah, put it in there. Drop it right in. Close the top. Now shake it. Shake it, shake it. Oh, look at that. Perfect.
Shake, shake,
Shake, shake, shake. And that's all you do. Well, that's how you get it prepped. I found this little handy thing at Walmart for your air fryer. Fits right in it. Should make it easy. Hold on. Here, why don't we put more than one? We can put them all in since we only got a few.
These are going to be all.
They're going to be all in there.
Mia. Only we have what that. Mia.
Shake, shake.
Shake, 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 shake.
Keep going.
Shake.
There you go. Shake it. Mix it.
Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. What do you think, Chef Calvin? Yeah? Okay. Okay, now put them up in there. Space Mountain. Yeah, looks good. Put it right there. Or just can't touch.
Uh-oh.
One more.
That one. That one. Then the pepper.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, you got them. Oh, you got them.
I jump these on top.
No.
What do you do now?
Oh, where's he going? No, we don't need to open it. We're all done. We got to cook it. We need 8 minutes. That's it. Hey, get out of here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, go what? Hey, why don't you vacuum? Oh!
I want to make some for you.
That's going to taste nice.
I want these to eat that one. I can eat these ones.
Thanks. All right, I'll eat that one. All right, hook your air fryer up. Put them in there. Oop.
You put them in there?
400 degrees, 4 minutes aside. Unless you have, oh, mine aren't that thick, so it might take 4 minutes total. We'll find out, but you're supposed to do 4 minutes each side and flip. Sunburn is what I got. Are you ready?
Really?
My arms are red, see? My face, my legs. Are you ready?
I want my white sheep
I don't know how you print it on a slide, but.
needle.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, they're done. One of these has Fauna's. Oh, that's what you doused one with. What I wasn't watching. So I don't know which one of those is, but they are done. And I would normally make it spicier, but I'll just use some hot sauce for my pieces. Here, you gonna try first?
Ow.
It's not hot. You try. Tell them what you think.
Ow.
It's not hot.
Good.
Good. She says it's good. Nope. And honestly, it's good. A lot healthier way to cook it. We all like fried crappie, but in the air fryer, that's really easy. Can't cook. You good? You gonna take a bite, everybody? You like it, huh? It's good.
It's a bit more spicy.
That's not spicy. It can't be spicy.
It's a bit more spicy.
It's a bit more spicy.
I had some water, please.
All right, a little water. So I hope you guys like this. It's phone approved. You like it, right? All right. So till next time, try cooking in the air fryer your crappie. Came out really great. Catch you next time.
Take it next time.
I guess Mr. Calvin would like to try some too. You want to try some? I guess not.
No.
You want your water. Watch out. You sure you don't want anybody? You like it.